Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. Today the topic of my video is DIY embroidery kit, DIY embroidery stitch pattern designs and DIY embroidery cross stitch pattern. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more content like this. So this video is very helpful for you. Don't miss this video and watch till end. Now let's start this video with DIY embroidery kit. Our DIY embroidery kit is a package that contains everything you need to create your own embroidered designs. This kit usually includes fabric, a piece of fabric, often cotton or linen, to embroider on, a printed or iron-on pattern to follow, featuring the design you want to embroider. Embroidery flows or thread in various colors matching the design. A tapestry needle or embroidery needle for stitching. An embroidery hook to help keep the fabric taut. A guide or manual with step-by-step instructions. Some kits may also include additional material like stabilizing material, e.g. interfacing or fusible web, scissors, thread conditioners, beads or other embellishment. DIY embroidery kits are perfect for beginners. Learn the basics of embroidery with a simple guided project. Explore new techniques and designs without committing to a large project. Create personalized presents like customized clothing or home decor. Enjoying a calming creative activity with a pre-packaged kit. Kits can be found online or in craft stores featuring various designs from simple to complex and catering to different skill level. What is embroidery? Now we will discuss about what is DIY embroidery and its benefits. DIY, do it yourself. Embroidery is the art of creating embroidered designs on fabric using needle, thread and other basic tools. You can use these needle, thread and other tools. You create beautiful and unique design. It involves manually stitching pattern, images or text onto fabric to create unique, personalized and decorative piece. Benefits of DIY embroidery. DIY embroidery allows you to express your creativity and bring your ideas to life. Add a personal touch to clothing, accessories or home decor. Embroidery can be a calming and meditative activity, reducing stress and anxiety. Develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordinator and patience. Create unique items without breaking the bank. Upcycle or repurpose old fabric, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Complete a project and feel proud of your handmade creations. Sense of accomplishment. Make one of a kind gifts or personalized items for special occasions. Therapeutic benefits. Embroidery has been shown to improve cognitive functions, memory, and more. Community connections. Join embroidery communities, share ideas, and learn from others. Overall, DIY embroidery offer a fun stitch pattern for beginners. Here are some simple DIY stitch patterns. The most basic stitch is the running stitch, used for outlining designs and creating straight lines. Backstitch is used for outlining and creating straight lines, especially for text and details. Stem stitch similar to the running stitch but create a more text. Satin stitch is a smooth, shiny stitch used for filling in large areas with a solid color. Straight stitch used for creating straight lines and detail. Chain stitch is a basic stitch used for outlining and creating lines. Blanket stitch is used for edging and creating a decorative borders. Herringbone stitch is a reversible stitch used for creating a chevron pattern. Cross stitch is a simple stitch used for creating patterns and designs on either cloth or even weave fabric. These stitches are great for beginners because they require minimal stitches and steps are easy to learn and memorize, can be used to create a variety of design and patterns, are versatile and can be combined to create more complex stitches. Remember, practice make perfect. Start with simple project and gradually move on to more complex design as you become more confident in your stitching ability. Floral patterns are a classic and timeless choice for embroidery designs. Here are some floral simple DIY embroidery patterns for beginners. A classic daisy designs using running stitch and French knots. Five petal flowers is a basic flower design using satin stitch and straight stitch. Leafy stem is a simple stem with leaves using stem stitch and straight stitch. Delicate cherry blossom designs using satin stitch and French knot. Simple rose is a basic design using satin stitch and straight stitch. Daisies and leaves is a whimsical design featuring daisies and leaves using running stitch and French knot. Lily of the Valley is a delicate design featuring lily of the valley flowers using satin stitch and French knot. Sunflower is a bright and cheerful design using satin stitch and straight stitch. Wildflower is a whimsical design using running satin stitch. Now, we have some tips. Experiment with new stitches, mix and match material, keep it simple, practice, use technology to your advantage. Tricks: use a stabilizing material, thread conditioning, use a hooper frame, stitch in good lighting, don't pull too tight, block your work. So guys, here are some tips and tricks. By following these tips and tricks, you will be well on your way. So Thanks for watching. If you have any question related to this video, leave the comment in the comment section and see you soon in the next video. Allah Hafiz.